what do you do when you got a blown out power jet and can't dredge any longer? You either got to buy a new one or you get it fixed. What's over here? Aha, it's a little rainbow trout. Here, fishy. Oh no, we blew out the jet. So at the end of last season, we were dredging. We got about 200 hours on the nozzle, and we sucked up so much gravel, we blew a hole in our power jet. So you can see the bubble right here. The whole metal housing bubbled out, and it was spewing like a volcano. We had about a week or two before ice set in, so I just did a really rudimentary bush patch, put some rubber belting over it, strapped it down, and taped it. Now that I'm taking it all apart to cut this section out and weld, I'm finding that there's a whole bunch of fine gravel and sand and very likely gold caught in here. So we're going to take it apart, collect the sand, pan it out, and see what we get. See, it's just pouring out. And we have all kinds of black sand and sand stuck to this tape. Look, there's a piece of gold right there. You can see it right at my thumbnail. So the tape has all kinds of glues and yuck in it, so I'm going to keep the tape with the black sand separate, and we'll try to collect the sand out of here. Looks like a flake of gold right there. Look at that. That's a big one. Whoa. Here, look at that. There's a pile of black sand. Check out that hole we blew. It's a huge bubble. I mean, this is 4 or 5 inches long by 4 or 5 inches wide. We were originally hoping we can cut out a section and patch in a new piece of metal, but from the looks of it, I don't know if we'll be able to save this, which is a real bummer. So anyway, we're gonna, let's see if there's anything there. Ooh. Just imagine how much gold I blew out of this power jet before I noticed this bubble. Man, this thing's nasty. I mean, that's the size of my hand almost. So there's not a lot of material, but we're gonna give it a quick pan and see if we got any gold in it. So here's a little bit of the gravel we got out of the jet. There's still quite a bit stuck on the tape and what have you, but we're gonna do a real quick pan. Drinking water just to see if we caught any color in there. We already got floaters. Ooh, that wind is something. There's a lot of black sand, that's for sure. Oh, there's a flake. There's a couple flakes in there. Oh yeah, look at all that. Tablespoonful of material. Not a whole lot. There's still quite a bit left encrusted on the jet and on the tape. Ooh, I'm starting to see some gold. Damn, that's like a wire gold piece almost. If you could zoom in on that. Holy moly, look at that. We got 2 nice big flakes right there. There's a bigger piece right here. So what do you do when you got a blown out power jet and can't dredge any longer? You either got to buy a new one or where you get it fixed. In this case, we got it fixed. I gotta give a big shout out to my man Cory for doing a fantastic job on this jet. As you can see, I'll put up some pictures, but we plasma cut a big rectangle out of here. Bent up a piece of metal, got it to fit like a puzzle piece, tack welded it into place, and grinded it flush. Beautiful job. It's like new. We even got the inside ground flush so we don't get any plug ups. Beautiful job, thanks Cory. Now I'm going to give it a light sand, knock down some of the rust, give it a fresh coat of paint. We're going to get this dredge in the water today. Look how dirty that was. We want that paint to stick. We got some old spray paint here and it's gumming up every single nozzle I try for the spray paint, so not sure if this is the right trick or not, but I want to put these dirty caps in a little cup with carb cleaner and see if we can't get them to spray right. Give them a little bath. So we gave these a quick soak in the carb cleaner. Let's see if they work. And we're back in business. All right. Gummed up already. Let's try this other one. And there you go. The power jet's ready to go. Let's get on the gold.